Hey curlies! Today I'll be trying out the so-called Beyonce of all curl foams, Mousse Def by Doux. In honor of Black History Month, I decided to give this black-owned beauty brand a try. So let's begin. As you can see, I'm starting off with freshly washed towel-dried hair. To save time, I pre-sectioned my hair into 4 parts. The instructional video said apply a generous amount, aka a ton. So that's what I'm doing. And now I'm scrunching the product in my hair. It's kind of giving a tropical scent. And now I'm going to diffuse my hair with the blow dry on cool because I don't like the wet, heavy feel mousse usually leaves my hair feeling like. Oh wow, my curls are shiny. The directions say don't add any other products to your hair because it's an all-into-one, which makes me nervous because using only one product has never worked on my hair. But we gonna see. This product is said to have a built-in leave-in conditioner, and that's usually all I use under my favorite curl locking gel, so this really might be a one-and-done product, which is great because it would definitely help me save some time. I prefer brushes over combs, and I love this detangling brush because it doesn't pull my hair. Wow, I'm almost done already. Now this may be a wash and go I can get behind. And I'm not usually a mousse person, but this one might not be so bad. I'm loving the shine, like it's almost too shiny, making my hair look like it's still wet. I hate dry looking curls. Okay, curly girls, let me know in the comments, are we loving this mousse or are we loving this mousse? Now, it's time to slay these baby hairs and I'll be done. Let me put y'all on real quick. Sally's Beauty Spot is celebrating Black History Month by having a buy 2 get 1 sale on select multicultural brands like this one. Thank me later. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.